EduSure's forte is, as you guessed it, preparing you for the MA Economics program to all the institutes offering it.
EduSure. What is EduSure and how does it help me?
All right, I am a representative of EduSure. So my name is Mahima Bantia, as I said, and I, along with Samkit sir, started EduSure in the year 2010. So we are a 10-year plus old institute, and I have been sending students to the best institutes of the country for the past 11 years now. Now, I myself am from Delhi School of Economics. I did my master's in economics there in 2008. Then I'm a graduate in economics from Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi. Samkit sir is a graduate from St. Xavier's College in Calcutta, and after that he did his master's in economics, MSQE, from ISI Calcutta. Now both of us are economics graduates, both of us have been fortunate enough to study this course, and now we would like to provide the same opportunity to as many of you as possible. So credentials aside, my passion and sir's passion is to help students become independent. We are fortunate enough to be earning our own money and supporting ourselves. And that is where what we want to do for you. We want to help you gain control over your life by being a professional, by having a professional degree, and by getting a job so that you are independent and you can support yourself and your family. That is our passion, and that is why we do what we do.
What kind of students do you get at EduSure? Is it okay if I don't know any economics or maths? And will you help me clear my basics?
Yes, I'm so glad you asked this question. Now, MA Economics is open to everyone. I studied economics, but I have had students and I've taught students over the years who are from engineering background, BCom background, arts background, any background, whether or not you had economics in your graduation. But if you want to pursue an MA Economics program, the program is open to you. All you have to do is clear the entrance. Over this journey of 10-11 years that we've been fortunate enough to teach students from all backgrounds. So you could be a student of Delhi University, from Stephens, SRCC, LSR, Hansraj, from any college in DU, to LE College in CU, to the best colleges in Calcutta, Xavier's Presidency, Jadavpur. You could be from IIT. You could be from Patna University, Guwahati University. You could be doing any course. The doors are open to you. Any course, any stream, any state, the doors are open to you. If you want to pursue the program, all you need to do is crack the entrance and the interview for some colleges. So you just need to crack the entrance. Once you've done that, you are in the program, and that's it. The best part is that most of these programs have very nominal fees. The fees could be ranging from merely 5,000 to 6,000 rupees a year. In some cases, even lesser than that. So the fees is not much. The program offers you a professional degree, and all you have to do is clear the entrance, for which EduSure stands with you at every step of the way.
Okay, what else does your program offer?
So EduSure will offer you everything. We will offer you all the steps to clearing these entrances. Now, the main subjects that you have in clearing these entrances are maths, stat, microeconomics, and macroeconomics. EduSure will teach you all 4 subjects in a combined package: maths, stat, micro, and macro. Classes will happen for all these subjects. We will take you from the basics, from the theory, and we will take you to the applications, to the solution, to solving these papers. We will have you take tests every week to test how you are progressing with us in our program. We will give you interview practice once you clear the entrances. Every step of the way is taken care by me, because that is my job, and you have a job is to work very hard, because these few months that you will be studying with me will decide on your career and the opportunity that you get to make a career for yourself. You work hard, I'll show the way.
I would love to know more about the course.
Right, so now if you want the details of my program, you want the whole list, you want the whole details, Samkit sir has made a wonderful video where each step is shown to you. We have a student portal for all our online classes where everything that we do is recorded and provided to you at the tip of your finger to watch it anytime that you want. Sir will take you through our student portal. He will take you through our live classes, how to attend them. He will take you through how to sit for the test. Everything Sir has made a wonderful video for. So I would request you to see the detailed video of the EduSure EcoTopper 2022 program for cracking the MA Economics 2022 entrances. We have 1 full year of preparation, and I'm sure that is more than enough. If you are dedicated, we are there with you to help you crack your dream institute.
We would love to hear you. Share any doubt in the comments below.